So here we have the BMW X1 automatic on a 61 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, and on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car, which are 24,833. Directly above that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment. You can also change information displayed in that section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls on both sides of the steering wheel, and the main stereo itself is over in the center just here. So we can go to our main menu. From our main menu, use this dial. You can access the onboard computer. You can configure things like, for example, whether you want miles or kilometers shown. You can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can also change the time from up on here as well. When it comes to audio, we've got AM, FM radio available to us just here. The main volume for the stereo is over on the left there. We've also got a CD player, auxiliary input, and USB input as well. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, you can turn the air conditioning on and off. So turn it on just here, the light shows that it's on. Same button again to turn it off. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature for you, or temperatures for you, by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. Press auto again to put it back on whatever setting you had it on previously. We then have, underneath that, the USB and auxiliary inputs, a 12-volt charging socket as well. We can also turn the traction control off from down here, and we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.